Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English, and I'm Luna.
And I'm Henry. If this is your first time here, we're really glad you're listening.
We help you speak real, everyday English with more confidence.
Through simple phrases, natural conversations, and real-life situations.
We talked about the bank before.
And today, we go one step further.
Yep, today it's all about credit cards.
Something very important in the US and Canada.
So if you like learning English this way, don't forget to follow or subscribe.
That really helps us keep going.
All right, let's get into it.
So today's topic is credit cards, something many newcomers feel unsure about.
In North America, most people use credit cards every day.
To buy things, pay bills, and shop online.
But if it's your first time, it can feel confusing.
Yeah, I still remember my first credit card.
Same here. I was like, should I use it?
I thought it was just like a debit card.
But it's different.
A credit card means you borrow money.
And then you pay it back later.
If you don't understand this, you might get a big bill.
Yeah, like surprise, boom.
Exactly.
That's why we're here today.
We'll show you step by step,
Real situations you will face.
like applying, using, and paying.
And what to do if something goes wrong.
If you feel nervous, that's okay.
We've been there too.
I remember walking into the bank holding my ID.
Same. I practiced one sentence in my head.
I'd like to get a credit card.
That's all I had.
And that's enough to start.
In this episode, we'll give you many simple sentences.
So you can speak with confidence.
Slowly, clearly, step by step.
All right.
Let's begin.
First situation, applying for a credit card.
You walk into a bank, look around, and take a small breath before speaking.
Yeah, that moment feels quiet. Like, okay, what do I say first?
Totally normal.
Let's walk through it step by step.
I'll be the customer.
And I'll be the bank staff.
If you're listening, you can speak with me.
Let's try. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to apply for a credit card.
Sure. Do you have an account with us?
Yes, I do.
Great. Can I see your ID?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Are you currently working?
Yes, I have a job.
What is your monthly income?
About $2,000.
Okay, we will check your application.
How long does it take?
Usually 5 to 7 business days.
Will I get the card by mail?
Yes, it will arrive at your address.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's say some of those phrases again, nice and slow.
I'd like to apply for a credit card.
That means you want to get one.
Do you have an account with us?
They want to check your bank information.
Are you currently working?
They want to know if you have income.
What is your monthly income?
That means how much money you make each month.
How long does it take?
Asking about time.
Will I get the card by mail?
That means it comes to your home. Honestly, my first time was a bit awkward.
Yeah, same. I spoke very slowly.
I said simple words only.
And that's okay.
You don't need perfect English.
Just clear English.
All right,
Ready for the next step?
let's talk about using your card.
Now you're standing at the checkout, holding your item, and the cashier is looking at you.
Yeah, that moment feels like, okay, it's time. I have to use the card now.
I remember my first time. I was like, do I say something first?
Same. I just held the card and waited.
Totally normal.
So let's walk through what to say.
I'll be the cashier again.
And I'm the customer.
If you're listening, you can be the customer with Luna.
Yeah, try saying it out loud.
Let's go. Hi there. Your total is $28.
Hi, I'd like to pay with my credit card.
Sure. You can tap or insert your card.
Okay, I'll tap.
Approved.
Oh, that was fast.
Yep, you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That was a nice and simple conversation.
Yeah, very short, very easy.
Now, let's slow it down and look at the key phrases.
You can repeat with us.
I'd like to pay with my credit card.
This means you want to use your credit card to pay.
Here's something you might hear next. You can tap or insert your card.
Tap means just touch the machine.
Insert means put the card into the machine.
Here's another word you will hear.
Approved.
That means the payment worked.
And finally, you're all set.
That means everything is finished.
Honestly, the first time feels a little strange.
Yeah, no cash, no coins, just beep.
Yeah, that little beep sound.
But remember something important.
Very important.
This is not free money,
You are borrowing money.
and you must pay it back later.
That's where people sometimes make mistakes.
But don't worry.
We'll help you understand it.
All right, next step.
Let's look at your credit card bill.
A few weeks later, you check your email and see a new message from your bank.
Yeah, and you're like, what is this? It looks important.
That message is your credit card bill.
This is one of the most important parts to understand.
I remember my first time. I just stared at it.
Same. Many numbers. Not sure where to look.
So don't worry, we'll go step by step.
Nice and simple.
Let's look at a basic example.
Your balance is $300.
That means this is the total money you owe.
Minimum payment is $25.
That means this is the smallest amount you must pay.
Due date is June 10.
That means this is the last day to make your payment.
You might also see this on your bill. Statement date.
That means the day the bill was created.
And here's something very important. Interest.
That means extra money you pay if you don't pay everything.
Yeah, and it can grow over time.
Slowly at first, then more and more.
So it's best to pay the full amount.
Not just the minimum.
Let's try a simple conversation.
I'll be the customer.
And I'll be the bank staff. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I have a question about my credit card bill.
Sure. What would you like to know?
What is my balance?
Your current balance is $300.
What is the minimum payment?
It is $25.
When is the due date?
It is June 10.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go over the key phrases again.
You can repeat with us.
I have a question about my credit card bill.
You are asking for help.
What is my balance?
You are asking how much you owe.
What is the minimum payment?
You are asking the smallest amount to pay.
When is the due date?
You are asking the deadline. Honestly, this part is very important.
Yeah, if you understand this, you avoid problems.
And you feel more confident.
All right.
Ready for the next step?
Let's talk about paying your credit card. Now it's time to make a payment, and this is where you stay safe with your card.
Yeah, this part feels important. Like, okay, I need to do this right.
Totally. But it's actually simple once you know the words.
Let's walk through it step by step.
I'll be the bank staff again.
And I'm the customer.
If you're listening, you can speak with Luna.
Yeah, try it with me.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to pay my credit card.
Sure. How much would you like to pay?
I'd like to pay the full amount.
Great. Your payment is complete.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. That was a simple conversation.
Yeah, very clear and direct.
Let's go over the key phrases slowly.
You can repeat with us.
I'd like to pay my credit card.
That means you want to make a payment.
How much would you like to pay?
They are asking for the amount.
I'd like to pay the full amount.
That means you pay everything you owe.
Your payment is complete.
That means you're done.
You might also hear this. Minimum payment.
That means the smallest amount you can pay.
but paying only the minimum is not the best.
Yeah, you will still pay interest.
So if you can,
Try to pay the full amount.
I remember one time I only paid the minimum.
Oh no, what happened?
Next month, the bill was higher. I was like, why?
Yeah, that's the interest.
So I learned my lesson.
Same here. Now I always try to pay full.
All right,
Ready for the next step?
let's talk about credit score.
After you start using your card, there is something else people talk about a lot.
Yeah, you will hear this word everywhere, credit score.
At first, I didn't understand it at all.
Same, I was like, what is this number?
So let's explain it in a simple way.
Nice and easy. A credit score is a number.
It shows how you use money.
If you pay on time, your score goes up.
If you miss payments, your score goes down.
Let's look at a simple situation.
I'll be the customer.
And I'll be the bank staff. Hi, how can I help you today?
Hi, I have a question about my credit score.
Sure, your current score is 680.
Is that good?
Yes, that is a good score.
How can I improve it?
Pay on time and don't spend too much.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go over the key phrases.
You can repeat with us.
I have a question about my credit score.
You were asking about your number.
Your current score is 680.
That is your credit score.
Is that good?
You were asking if the score is okay.
How can I improve it?
You were asking how to make it better.
Here are some simple tips.
Pay on time.
Don't miss payments.
Don't use too much of your limit.
Keep it low and steady.
I remember checking my score for the first time.
Were you nervous?
Yeah, I was like, I hope it's okay.
Haha, yeah, same feeling.
But slowly, it got better.
That's how it works. All right,
Ready for the next step?
let's talk about problems and support. Sometimes things don't go as expected, and you might see something strange on your card.
Yeah, like a charge you don't remember. That can feel scary.
Totally. But don't worry, you can always ask for help. Let's go through a simple situation. I'll be the bank staff.
And I'm the customer.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I see a charge I don't recognize.
Okay, let me check that for you.
Thank you.
This charge is from an online store.
I didn't buy anything from there.
No problem. We can report it.
Okay, what should I do?
We will open a case and investigate.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. That was a simple and important conversation.
Yeah, this can really happen in real life.
Let's go over the key phrases.
You can repeat with us.
I see a charge I don't recognize.
That means you don't know this payment.
Let me check that for you.
They will look into it.
I didn't buy anything from there.
You are saying it's not yours.
We can report it.
That means they will help fix it.
Another situation.
Maybe your card is lost.
Let's try that. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I think I lost my credit card.
Okay, we will block your card.
Thank you.
We will send you a new one.
That's great.
Let's review those phrases.
You can repeat them with us.
I think I lost my credit card.
You are telling them your card is missing.
We will block your card.
That means no one can use it.
We will send you a new one.
That means you will get another card. Honestly, this part is very helpful.
Yeah, you don't need to panic.
Just call and speak simply.
They will help you. All right,
One last part.
let's do a final review.
We've covered many real situations today, step by step.
Yeah, from getting your card to fixing problems, you did a lot.
And all with simple, clear English.
That's the goal. Not perfect, just clear.
Let's do a quick review together.
You can listen or repeat with us.
I'd like to apply for a credit card.
I'd like to pay with my credit card.
What is my balance?
What is the minimum payment?
When is the due date?
I'd like to pay the full amount.
I have a question about my credit score.
I see a charge I don't recognize.
I think I lost my credit card.
These are all simple sentences.
But very powerful in real life.
You don't need big words.
Just the right words.
If you feel unsure, that's okay.
You can listen again.
Practice a little each time.
One step at a time.
And remember,
You are not alone.
many people feel the same at the beginning.
But it gets easier.
You are learning something very useful.
Something that helps your daily life.
So keep going.
Keep practicing.
Thank you for learning with us today.
This is Speak Easy English
And we'll see you next time.
on Real English Talk.